can keep singing, Sean.
Huh?
You can keep singing your song.
It's just video footage?
Yeah, video. So go ahead, sing your song. So this week on my channel, I wanted to give you guys a tour of my freshly organized pantry, because it's something that I have to do periodically. I gave you a tour of my pantry in St. George, and I've never showed you my pantry here in Salt Lake. And I feel like I've figured out how to really make the most of a small space. So I'm going to show you some of my little tips and tricks on how to make the most of a small pantry and still make it look very neat and tidy.
It's not my fault.
You're in my video.
Sorry.
Trying to do a tour.
Sorry.
But now I'm just looking at your muscles.
Which ear hurts?
So let me just explain a little bit here, my little system. So first of all, I went to IKEA and just purchased a bunch of all different types of sizes of these like white containers, and all these are from IKEA. These big ones are from IKEA as well for cereal, or I got steel cut oats back here. And then a couple of these I got like from the dollar store. I'm pretty sure these are from IKEA as well. And I've got labels, but I kind of stopped. Oh, I don't know how that ended up down there, but I've kind of stopped labeling things as much. When I did my first pantry makeover is when I bought all these little containers, and I was really into all the labeling, but now it's just a little bit different. So I've put lunch boxes in here. This is a cool new one that I just found on Amazon for Lily this year. And these are all, this is pasta, garbage bags, Ziploc bags, and lunch bags, and other lunchbox like accessories. And I found these ones. This is like a little set that I found most recently on Amazon. Those have been really nice. They're the airtight containers, so they seal. Keeps things more fresh. This is stevia, chia seed, lots of nuts, and fun things that we find at Costco. Love these crackers. These are almond flour crackers, also from Costco. Hemp seeds, rice crackers, chocolate covered almonds, goji berries. So we try to keep things healthy, but kids like their fruit snacks. So we got fruit snacks, isogenics bars, s'mores, stuff for s'mores, just random little goodies here. Isogenics whey thins, those are really good. 100-calorie, gluten-free crackers, 10 grams of protein. I got all my little like alternative like baking ingredients, all the gluten-free flours and things like that that I like to use to make my healthy desserts, usually, because I like desserts, but I try to make them healthy. So there we go. Oh, and then this is a little fun idea that I did back like 6 or 7 years ago when I first redid my pantry. I used a lot of this vinyl shelving stuff with adhesive on the back, and then I used it for these old isogenics canisters for the protein canisters that I get like monthly and just end up throwing them away. I was trying to recycle, trying to find different ways of using these canisters, and so this was my idea that I had years ago, but now I'm kind of over all these colors and these designs. It's not really like my thing anymore, but this was totally my thing like 5 years ago. But anyway, they've come in handy, and I still use them. We really like macadamia nuts. This is the best coffee. It's the Isogenics organic coffee blend. Love it. And I like to use this on a regular basis. Well, also one of my favorite products. Not by Isogenics, but it's organic mushroom nutrition. I like to put it in my smoothies. It's really good for the brain, focus, all that good stuff. So there we go. There is the pantry tour.